Hey there, everybody. Bill Jr. back, and holy crap, is it cold out there. We are in the midst of a really wonderful polar vortex here in Metro Detroit, and Sunday, we're getting somewhere between 4 to 7 inches of snow. So we know what that means. It means phone calls from homeowners and business owners because they have too much snow and ice built up on their roofs. And the question we get very often is, what can I safely put on my roof or in my gutters that will melt everything without damaging the actual roof and gutter systems or cause other problems down the road? Well, you've come to the right place because there's only one substance you actually want to put on your roofing system or in your gutters that will melt the snow and ice without causing unintended consequences. That substance, calcium chloride. You don't want to put normal driveway salt or rock salt that you would put out, to melt everything on your sidewalks and your porch and your driveways. You actually want to get calcium chloride. That is the only substance our service teams use when we get called out for these types of, snow removal services. So why? What is the benefit, or why use calcium chloride? There's 5 reasons. Number 1, it is exothermic, which is just a really fancy way to say it doesn't need the sun to be activated. All right. So with a normal rock salt, it actually stops working once you start dropping below about 20 degrees. With the calcium chloride, that is good down to about 15 below, which sadly, we're going to be getting those types of temperatures this week. So number 1, that. Number 2, it's more efficient. You can do more with less. With the rock salt and some of the other additives out there, you actually have to use a lot more of it to generate the same amount of melt. Calcium chloride, just with its chemical composition, hey, it does the job. Now, an added benefit of that, the 3rd reason, would be you don't get this weird chalky kind of residue and substance. I know we all see it on our carpets now when we're walking into our homes or offices. You're not going to get nearly as much of that with using the calcium chloride. Another added benefit, and this is really, really big, and it's probably the number 1 reason to use it, you're not going to risk chemical burns, both to your roofing substrates and to your roofing materials, but then also to your ground in the areas around your home or office. So those are the big reasons what to use on your roofing system to melt that snow and ice. And again, what is it? Calcium chloride, not regular driveway salt, not any of the other chemicals and the substances you see out there. Use only calcium chloride, whether it's a shingle roof, gutters, or a flat roof. That's your safest bet. Now, if you're a DIYer, you can go pick this up at Home Depot or Lowe's or Tractor Supply Company. If you're not a DIYer, you're in luck. Our team specializes in this. We have technicians and team members standing by, ready to help. All you got to do is give us a call, 586-566-0308. And we got a great team member who's happy to help, and we'll get some technicians dispatched out there right away and get that snow and ice off the roof so you don't have to worry about ice dams forming, collapses, things like that. And it's really the safest way to do it. As always, I really hope you gain some benefit. I really, more importantly, hope now you know the safe and proper tools to use to get that snow and ice off the roof. And as always, I hope you had a Kanga-Roofic day.